Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you an unboxing video of our new TV, the Sony 85-inch TV. So I hope you enjoy watching this. Does it fit in TV stand?
What?
Does it fit in TV stand?
Yeah.
Which one is stronger?
No.
So how do we like?
Lift it. Lift it from there. Come on.
It's too heavy, like I couldn't. Why? 15
Yeah,
centimeters.
but we have to lift it from down and then we turn around. And then we put it.
It's so heavy.
No, it's not.
Wait, wait. I don't think I can do it. Oh my god. Wait. we do like this first before we move. The TV is so wide and very heavy. So we were actually planning at first to hang the TV on the wall, but after this unboxing, we were like, how can we put this TV on the wall when it's so heavy? So for now, we are putting it on the TV stand, and it's actually bigger than the TV stand. So we are also looking for a bigger and wider TV stand, but we will see. We will probably put this one on the wall maybe later on when we have someone to help us carry the TV. And for now, it's on the TV stand, and for now, it's okay there. So, yeah. Mayu has been wanting to buy this huge TV for such a long time, and I thought that it's really very expensive, so I said no at first, but then later on, after so many times of convincing me, like, I really want to buy this giant TV and things like that, and I was thinking, yeah, why not? If you have money, then buy. So one day he ordered it and bought it, and we are very happy that we did because we love watching movies and YouTube videos, and watching in a big screen is really nice, and the sound quality is really good. So yes, we are very happy with our purchase on this 85-inch TV. Is really nice. It's like you are having an own a big theater or cinema in your own house, and it's really nice, and we really love it and enjoy so much watching movies. And yes, movie time is so much fun now that we have this big TV. And yep.